I've been joined by a friend.
Mimi's Toy Corner! Let's have some fun!
Welcome back to Mimi's Toy Corner. Have a look, guys, I'm making slime. And you guessed right, it's my first slime video. It's going to be fluffy slime and it's going to be put to the ultimate test, so make sure to watch till the end. I got my glue, then I have my activator, baking soda and shaving foam. Make it extra fluffy. Right guys, let's get started. First, I'm going to pour in my glue. Guys, I'm not going to use any measurements, I'm just going to make it. See how it turns out. This is so heavy. I'm going to make lots because I want it to be big slime. I'm going to cover all the bottom, guys, and this is just like your normal school glue. Look how it's pouring out, guys. It's so satisfying. What do you think, guys? Do you think it's gonna work? It's very heavy. I can't even pour it anymore, but we need it all covered. Then I'm gonna decide what colours I do. Drop in the comments, guys. What do you think I should use? My first slime I've made ever. Guys, I'm spreading it all out. As you can see, this is where my activator comes in, and it's some ice solution that contains borax. So let's just squirt some in and I'll start mixing it. I don't know how to spray it in. I think it goes like this. Yeah. I guess that this is going to be big slime. I think this will be enough for now, guys. Guys, look! You can see what's inside of the glue. It's already activating. Now the good thing is that we've got a lot of glue, a lot of activator. If it doesn't work straight away, we can keep adding. We've got the baking powder, which helps make it super stretchy and not as slimy. So guys, I got my silver spoon and let's get mixing. Whoa. Can you see it already forming in there, guys? From the corner. We just keep mixing until it starts forming. And remember, guys, if it doesn't work straight away, we can always add more. And look, it's already kind of forming like that. And guys, this really is my first time ever. Been wanting to make slime for ages. Look at it, guys, you can see it working. I'm so surprised. I was always worried, guys, that if I started making it, it wouldn't work. Let me get right into the corners. Guys, I think you keep doing it until you find the right texture that you want, but I think I need a bit more activator. Let's just squirt some more in. And then keep mixing. That's enough. Do you think I'm making a mistake, guys, not using any measurements? But I think this is part of the fun, and that way you never know what it's going to turn out like. Oh guys, it's turning even more, and this tray is ideal so it doesn't go everywhere. It smells just like school. Whoa. Have you ever made slime, guys? Did it work first time for you? Then pick it, isn't it? Look how satisfying it is, guys. It's like milk. A big crate of milk. It's starting to sound like slime too. Do you think I need a bit more activator? Yeah. Guys, after I mix this in, we'll see what it's like, and maybe we can move on to the baking powder. Ooh, it's forming. Oh, did you see that, guys? It's a different texture. Shall I add some baking powder, guys? Let's do it. So we'll just sprinkle it all over. So the baking powder is same as baking soda, and I think that's enough. Whoa. And you see it, guys, it's like snow slime. And that's ideal because we've just had Christmas. Look, guys, it keeps forming bubbles. Now it's a different texture because watch. No, it doesn't go down really quicker like it did when we added activator. I think it's forming, guys. Whoa. Are you seeing this, guys? I think I shall use my fingers now, guys. Let's get my hands in. Whoa! It's like a cake texture. Got to keep on mixing it all in, guys. Whoa, I can barely move my hands. Listen to the noises, guys. Whoa, this is so amazing. And if you can see, it's turning gradually. Now this is definitely changing. Wait! Turning into real slime. Woo! Broken! Turning into a white frog, guys, help me! I'm a snow frog. Let it go. Let it go. Whoa. Dad's gonna add the shaving foam because I have no hands-free. Whoa. To make super fluffy slime. Instead of pouring. So cool. Just look at it forming, guys. Guys, it's really working. Whoa! So it's not sticking to my hands anymore. And listen, guys. Guys, I've added the food coloring. And you guys, let's start mixing it so it starts to turn pink. Guys, can you see the oranges in there? Pinks and reds. Wow, it's really changing. It's gone super sticky again. This is a lot of slime. Like a peachy pink. Oh, there's a little bit more. Guys, I'm going for it again. Hopefully this will be enough to make it all pinky. Why it's really bubbly and fluffy because of the shaving foam. There's like a purpley colour right against the wall right here of the tray. How amazing! Considering how dark the red was, it's turning to a nice light unicorn pink. And these bubbles are really coming now. Let's see if we can do that big stretchy thing that everyone does. Wow! Whoa! Isn't that amazing, guys? Now it smells very chemically at the moment. So look what I'm gonna add, some banana flavouring. So guys, can you see the banana? It smells so much better than chemicals. Let's mix it in. Banana flavoured slime. Oh, I can scent it already. I only haven't made my first slime. I made fluffy cute banana scented slime. Awesome, guys! I've been joined by a friend. He's a little piggy. That's it, guys. It's all done. And we'll see you outside. This is the epicness. Are you ready, guys? Look at the epic rock. It's going! We're getting there, guys. Chewing gum, a big bowl of it. This has to be the world record slime drop. Got to get to the bottom. It's going now, it's gonna go! Guys, it came all the way to the top, to the bottom. That's 15 foot epic! Whoa guys, look how fast it's going. It made it! Guys, did you think we would get this far? One epic slide. Guys, I hope you liked this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the bell. See you next week at 5. Bye!